Hello everyone, welcome back. When you put your iPhone on charging, iPhone shows charging but the battery percentage is not increasing. Then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After these two steps, if you still facing the same issue, then we have to check the lightning port and the lightning cable as well. We are going to check the lightning cable and clean it properly with petrol or thinner, and also clean the lightning port with petrol and the thinner as well. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue and the battery percentage start increasing. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.